Well, hello everyone, Dan Hurd Prospecting here. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. I hope to earn your subscription today. I am here on Pioneer Pauly's
water's wet
claim. We are here today to do some gold panning and metal detecting and find some of Pauly's nuggets. And you say we found nuggets? Oh, not those nuggets. You say we found nuggets in this stretch before?
Yes, I've done a lot of sniping here. Found a lot of nuggets on the bedrock, underwater, out of the water, and even in the air dam.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
Those left of the air ones. So wish us luck, and I hope you enjoy. So it's already afternoon and we don't have all that much time to work up here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a bit of detecting and a bit of crevicing of cracks and whatnot with the gold pan. We have decided to have a competition. See who gets more gold, Pauly or I. And Pauly said if I get more gold than him, he's gonna give me all his gold. Today I will be using the Gold Monster 1000. It's a great detector for finding small gold right on bedrock. And hopefully it'll even find some big gold. Yes! I found two signals so far, but they're both ferrous or iron signals. And it definitely looks like Pauly has worked this area once before. Let's find an area he hasn't worked. Here's my first maybe signal. It's going both ways, swing both ways, sometimes into the gold, sometimes into the iron. We're gonna dig it out and find out. Let's see, there's gold right there. Pauly's going to the other side. He must know something I don't know. How can he walk in bare feet? How can he do it? Oh! Will I get the first piece of the day? Get out of here. And because it was up in the upper gravels, I'm assuming it's not gold. And it's showing straight iron right now. Another maybe signal right in here, so let's dig down a little bit. Move some of these rocks out of the way. Oh, there's some boulders down there. And see what the detector says. Often those signals that are iron that confuse the detector, all you have to do is move them around a little bit and they show whether they're straight iron or still possibly gold. Let's see what that says. Now it's saying straight iron. Iron signal. Oh no, Pauly's digging something. He may have found gold before me. That's unacceptable. Here's the best signal I've found so far. Right in these jagged rocks. Well, I've got two bad signals, one maybe signal, and one fairly good signal in my pan. Let's go pan that out and find out if any of it's gold. I haven't heard any hooting and hollering from upstream yet, so I assume that means Paul hasn't found anything. The moment of truth. Or as Pauly would say, the moment of truth. I got a few specks of gold, but no chunks. Those specks wouldn't have been detected, they're too small, so they were just in the gravels I was digging. Not even worth the close-up for that one. Back to finding another signal. Well, there's something setting off as gold in that crack. Let's see what it is. And as I get deeper, it gets louder and better. That might be a nice piece of gold down there. Right down there somewhere. Really loose ground though. Is that a rock? That's a rock still. Getting lots of material in my pan, that's for sure. Oh, it just keeps going deeper and deeper. I have to pan out the pan before I get to the bottom, get to the signal. Again, digging tool of choice today, hand. Ooh, no signal. Signal. Shall we pan it and find out? There's a wasp of some sort, a bee, a something, into pan. Wash off the rocks. So there's one mediocre signal in this pan, which was probably iron in the end, and one good signal. If I find anything at all, I have to do a big loud woohoo to make Pauly come back and look at it. Just to take away his time from finding gold. Let's have a look together. There it is, one huge lead ball. That was the big signal I had. Bunch of little gold again, one huge lead ball. Wonder what that is. Anyone know what a big ball like that would be? Let me know in the comments below. Now, only if that lead were gold. Let's find the gold. Well, another good signal. Straight off in gold, not even hinting at iron, so it's either gold or lead. See if we can find it. It's right there on surface. Well, I don't think I've worked so hard for a mediocre signal before. I worked and worked and worked and worked, and I just can't seem to get the signal out of the hole. It's there still, but I can't find it. I may have put one in the pan. I need a break from digging, so let's go pan. Not even a speck. Maybe I should stop chasing these mediocre signals. Just keep detecting until I get a good signal. 30 seconds after I say that, I get a good signal. Straight into gold, right signal, right on the surface. Come on, gold. Pauly's gonna win. If I don't find a piece of gold, Pauly's gonna win. Right in there. Oh no, Pauly came back and he found a gold signal down there. He went down lower, I was working up high. That can't happen. I better find mine before he finds his. I'm having a heck of a time finding this one. I keep digging and it keeps saying it's in the hole. I don't know what I've been chasing. Let's go pan that out and hope something went in my pan. Pauly's found a nugget! Maybe? Maybe not.
Maybe not.
I will be panning this out right now. I'll show you the results in a sec. Paul thinks he has something. I think I don't. I know I don't. I revealed to Paul in a second ago, and there was nothing in it.
What do you do if there was gold on the second look?
I would curse. Damn my panning skills.
Maybe we just suck at panning.
Oh. Sucking at detecting today. Let's get Paul's big nugget on camera.
Big nugget. Oh, a nail. Oh, dang it. Is that a nail?
That's a nail.
Nailed it. Big reveal.
Big nuggets.
Was there gold?
Big nuggets.
No.
No. Me too. Well, it's starting to rain out there. I haven't found a piece of gold yet. I hate making a video that doesn't have something to show for it. Some gold. I know Paul hasn't found anything. Bailey has found some stuff. He's in the water sniping, but Paul and I are supposed to find gold today. That was the whole point of the video, a challenge. Oh well. I'm starting to think there's no video in today because I'm not finding any gold. Though, I did just detect a signal down here that is quite promising.
Was it because I moved the boulder?
Yes, it's all because Pauly moved a boulder for me.
Yay, success.
So let's dig that one out, and if I find a piece of gold, there's a video in today. If not, oh, another scrapped video.
I think your viewers would still want to see it.
I think so. They say they want to see it, but they never do well.
Look, a rock. Oh,
whoa.
Rock.
Paul's down. Here we go, here we go. This is it for the day. There's either gold or there's not.
Well, hello everyone. Dan Hurd here with Dan Hurd Prospecting here. Welcome to the channel. And if you're new, welcome. I hope to earn your subscription today. Did I do it right?
You need a few more here's in there.
Here.
I got the best cameraman in the industry right now.
Oh yeah, pressure's on, baby.
My classifier? Fingers.
Oh, so we have Bailey over there. He's doing some sniping.
The only gold for the day so far.
He's doing way better than we're doing.
But I bet you he's colder than us.
Yeah, probably. Quickly, a tip for new prospectors.
Don't go metal detecting with Pauly. Oh, no, that's not good.
That's a fair tip.
Honestly, though, a good tip for new prospectors is find a club or a group or friends or something That is always my best tip for rock hounding and gold prospecting. Get involved with the people that are already doing it.
People ask where to find gold. First I look in Google, and then I ask people who already found gold, and then I quit.
Okay, the moment of
Tooth.
Exactly.
I really hope it's gold.
I think I see it already. There's a chunk of lead right there.
Woo! Yeah, nice. Bailey, we got lead.
Wah, wah,
That's
wah. There's gold.
Yeah, we have a little bit of gold in there.
I had fun. I hung out with Pauly. I got to see Andy. I got to see Pauly. I got to have fun. That's what it's about.
You need more here's in there.
Here. I know I said I was only going to do that one more pan, but we found another signal.
I just moved this boulder out of the way, the one right there, with no help at all. And yeah, we have another signal. So hopefully with any luck, Dan will find a piece of gold. A wham!
Eat it.
Yeah.
The vegetarian. Yeah, eat it.
Yeah. I'll lick it. I licked the dirt off of it.
Nice deep crevice here. Okay, let's throw that detector back over this.
Still hear it.
Ow! I bit my fingernail. I hurt my fingernail. Okay, here's the last pan of the day. Famous last words, right? How many last pans can you have?
7.
I'm sure that helped.
Not the best lighting over here. It's kind of dark.
It is, yeah. I'm kind of silhouetted, aren't I? Okay, the moment of tongue. Huh? Oh, no.
Tooth.
Tooth, okay.
Come on.
Oh?
Oh, you have a nicer piece in there.
Oh, that's the best piece of the day.
Yeah. Was that the target? Maybe not.
I'm sure that's what we heard. Yeah.
Okay.
That's it.
Oh, not too bad. Cool. Well, you won. I gave up about 2 hours ago.
Well, let's see what we got. Well, here's the take for the day. One great big round ball of lead. Again, if you have any idea what that is, leave a comment below. One, chunk of lead. Chunk o' lead. And then some microscopic gold. This is exactly 0.00003 of a gram. 4 of a gram, precisely. I think some of that really fine stuff was the hard rock material I was doing the other day. And Paul's find for the day was 3 separate flavors of nails. So I guess that means I got more gold than you. It means you have to give me all your gold.
Uh-oh.
Okay, and because I know everyone loves seeing gold, we've called Bailey over. And let's have a look at what he sniped for the day. I see a big one already. Oh, wow, Bailey.
Nice.
That is amazing.
We got some pyrite chunks too. Yeah.
Well, as a group, we didn't get skunked today. Thanks, Bailey. Well, at least Bailey saved the day for us.
Yeah, I didn't get skunked today.
Didn't get skunked. Actually, that is some really nice gold. Well done, Bailey.
Thank you.
High five. Woo.
Well, here we are again at the end of the day, starving with a big long hike out of here. I had a blast. Thank you, Paul.
No worries.
This was great. Bailey found some great gold. We had a lot of fun. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave me that thumbs up. If I haven't earned your subscription yet, I hope I earned it today. And a big thanks to everyone for watching, especially my patrons. Make sure you go check out Pauly's channel if you haven't already, which I'm sure you have. And until the next one, bye.